There once was a very chatty parrot named Polly who lived in a jungle filled with noisy animals. But guess what? Polly was louder than all of them. Polly would talk from sunrise to sunset. Good morning. Who took my banana? Watch out. I'm fabulous. She even talked in her sleep. Z's. Crackers, please. The other animals were going crazy. Leo the lion tried to roar louder than Polly. Polly copied him. Roar, roar. Ellie the elephant sprayed water to shush her. Polly said, woohoo, jungle shower. Milo the monkey gave her a banana to make her stop. Polly just shouted, thank you, best banana ever. One day, the animals had an idea. If Polly likes talking so much, maybe she should host the jungle radio. From that day on, Polly had her own show, Polly FM Talk all day. She told jokes, gave the weather, and even sang jungle songs. Now, all the animals listened happily because they could turn the radio off when they needed quiet. Polly was happy, the jungle was peaceful, and everyone lived happily ever after. With volume control. The end. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.